Hey you guys, we are on our second day of our daily grammar practice 3. So we're still working with the same sentence, don't touch the colorful wings. And today we are going to underline the subject once and underline the predicate twice. Now, the subject is what this sentence is about, and we'll go back to the subject in just a minute because this one's really tricky, okay? But the predicate is the verb that the subject is acting, or in this case doing, since it's an action verb. So what is the subject doing in this sentence? They are not touching the colorful wings. So we're going to use 2 lines to indicate that don't touch the colorful wings is our predicate, what the subject is doing. Now this one becomes a little tricky because that's all the words in the sentence. We don't see a subject. We don't see who or what is being told to not do the touching. So this is what we call an understood subject. Basically, it's when somebody gives a command, they're looking at you, they're speaking to you, so you know that you're the person that's supposed to do whatever is being commanded or asked of you. So in order to show that this is the subject, what we are going to do is I'm going to insert a text box right here. But if you're just writing on your own separate piece of paper, that's totally fine. Go down kind of to the middle here. Maybe we'll make our font much bigger. Oops. And then we'll undo that big font we just made. Okay, and then in parentheses, you're going to have the word you. This is what is called an understood you subject. Because again, somebody is looking at you and speaking to you to tell you this command. So you understand that you are the person who's supposed to do this action. So if I looked at you and I said, rather than don't touch the colorful wings, I said, pick up the paper on the floor. You would understand that you are the subject. You are the person who is supposed to do that action because I'm speaking to you. Okay, this is a really tough concept and topic, but we're getting introduced to it and we will rock it out this year. Additionally, oops, I forgot this. Since you is our subject, we need to underline it once as well. Okay. Today was probably the toughest second day of DGP we will experience. I hope it made moderate sense and will make more sense throughout the year. All right, good luck today. Oh, and as always, you can share your DGP with me by hitting this button right here and typing in my email. Or if you just want to write it on a piece of paper, you can do so and send me a picture or send it in your remote folder. Whichever way is easiest for y'all is totally fine for me. All right, you guys have a great day. Bye.